Introducing the DSH series infrared heater from Dimplex. With an indirect heating design and reduced light emissions, the DSH is ideal for residential and commercial installations. Made of durable extruded aluminum, the gracefully curved chassis includes a reflector that directs heat while hiding the heating element. This innovative design provides all the comfort with less visible red glow, making these ideal for low lighting environments such as outdoor patios. IP65 rated, these units are water and dust tight, finished with corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum and stainless steel. The DSH heaters are made for all climate conditions and perform in weather as low as -40 degrees. Use the remote control to activate the heater, achieving maximum heat output in less than 3 seconds. Select from 3 temperature settings to reach your desired comfort level and heat roughly 125 square feet of outdoor space. A hardwired electrical connection is required, which should be completed by a licensed electrician in accordance with electrical code. Control multiple heaters from a single remote and set the timer to shut off after 1, 2, or 3 hours. The auto shutoff deactivates the heater after 8 hours, ensuring complete safety and efficiency. The DSH includes a wall mounting bracket, or choose the optional ceiling mounting bracket, which adjusts to hang 1 to 2 feet from the ceiling for greater installation flexibility in high-traffic areas. An optional permanent location stand is also available for open spaces, allowing for installations in areas without a wall or ceiling. With their premium quality and performance, the DSH series infrared heaters let you extend your outdoor living in comfort and style. Visit Dimplex.com for more information.